Let's create an order. Usually we start creating the order roughly in the middle of the whole ordering process conversation with the customer. Just after getting their weight and height and determining which products they want, you ask for the address, start creating the order, and then you will have access to sending the SMS verification code, claim the customer, and get access to the receipt models and other text suggestions. As you can see, we have all the usual address details, but we also have some unique quirks to make the work process smoother and faster. On the top, we have this big text box where some agents like to paste some of the Facebook chat and use it to fill in the form faster with less alt tabbing. Then the procedure starts. Deliberately, we have only the page selector and the customer URL boxes allowed at the start. I have found out that starting by entering this info lets us do some interesting tricks in the background to enable direct chat links to Facebook and find previous orders of the same customer, which allows you to autocomplete the address. But whenever you use the autocomplete, always check if the customer has given you the same address. Maybe they changed places. You never know. Let me show you what happens when I copy this customer's URL and paste it into the new order. You first wait a second and it shows this drop down. When it lets me choose this previous order to autofill the address details from. Boom! And we have saved a few minutes. We can also quickly see if the customer has returned orders, and if so, to conduct the PayPal conversation, obviously do the SMS verification, but also ask them about the previous order. Even explain to them that last time you have lost money from this mistake and ask him if they will be serious this time around. It's a few lines of chatting, but definitely makes the conversation more real and engaging for the customer. They take the order more seriously. I recently added a quick button to send the SMS verification while in the order, so you can avoid making the customer wait too much between your messages. So you directly ask for address, start creating the order. While creating the order, you can send quickly the SMS. Then the email is not mandatory, but it's nice to have. However, friendliness rating is mandatory because it helps us determine how much we can trust the customer and have we done enough to ensure they pick up their order. We can then later also make statistics on how friendliness affects the return percentage and order size. Here on the right, I have Google Maps integrated search. Please learn to use it perfectly as we hate dealing with wrong addresses because sending emails to different couriers and disappointing the customers, making them wait and costing us extra courier's fee or even losing the sale at all is terrible. When all fields are completed correctly, the system will allow you to go to the next tab to add the products and edit the shipping fee and discounts. Adding a product can be done only by code, so mistakes are reduced to a minimum. Similarly to the URL autocomplete I talked about, it searches the records for products and within 2 or 3 seconds it displays the results. Select the desired products, check if the photo is what you are looking for, and select the desired size for the customer. In the bottom, you can choose to give the customer free shipping, As per our promotion rules, of course, at discounts, you have two options: a percentage discount if the whole order is discounted by a percent, or an amount discount, which you have to calculate separately with a calculator for some products or compensations for issues with previous orders. This is pretty much it. You can also add a comment from the third tab here and save it to the order. After saving the order successfully, you should get redirected to the orders list where you can get the text suggestions and the final receipt and SMS confirmation text and so on. I hope that helps and it's all clear. If you have any questions, please keep in touch.